Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to mathematics class of standard 5. Today we are going to continue with the previous session video. So in today's session we are going to solve the exercise problem that is based on the previous session video. Now let's quickly move on to the session and get to know how to solve the exercise problem, which is based on multiplication of 2-digit number and multiplication of 3-digit number. Along with that, we are going to solve the statement problems also. Exercise 1.1. First main, multiply. 146 multiplied by 173. So this is the question given, and we are going to multiply a 3-digit number with another 3-digit number. First, what you have to do is you have to multiply the multiplicand with the multiplier's unit place value. After multiplying the unit place value with multiplicand, again you have to multiply with the tens place value with the multiplicand. Then comes the hundreds place value. You have to multiply the hundreds place value with the multiplicand. Now let us solve the problem. 3 multiplied with 6. 3 6 are 18. Take the carry over to the tens place. Next 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Again take carry to hundreds place. Now multiply 3 with hundreds place value. 3 into 1s are 3 plus 1 is 4. You're going to multiply the tens place value. Put a multiplication symbol below the units place value, and you have to start writing the product of 7 multiplied with 146 in the tens place value. 7 6 are 42. Take the carry over to the tens place. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 4 is 32. Write 2 here and take the carry over to the hundreds place value. Again multiply 7 into 1. 7 1s are 7 plus 3 is 10. Write 10 as it is because there is no other value given here. So you have to write the value 10 as it is. Now with the third digit you are going to multiply with the multiplicand. So what you have to do is you have to put a multiplication symbol on units place and tens place. The third digit is of the hundreds place value. Start writing the value of 1 multiplied with 146 from the hundreds place only. 1 multiplied with 6 is 6. 1 multiplied with 4 is 4. 1 multiplied with 1 is 1. So now we are going to add all the value so that you will get to know what is the product of 146 multiplied with 173. If no value is there, you have to consider it as 0. So write 8 as it is. Now 3 plus 2 is 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. Write 2 here and take the carry to the thousands place value. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the product of 146 multiplied with 173 is 25,258. Now let's solve the second problem. First you have to multiply the multiplicand with the units place value. 2 multiplied with 8 is 16. Carry 1 to the tens place. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. Again carry 1 to the hundreds place value. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 is 3. You are going to multiply the multiplicand with the tens place value. So you should not write any value below the units place value. Put a multiplication symbol, then start multiplying the number. 4 8s are 32. Take the carry to tens place. 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 3 is 31. Take carry to the hundreds place. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. Again you have to multiply the multiplicand with the hundreds place value. So you have to put 2 multiplication symbol since it is of a hundreds place value. 1 multiplied with 8 is 8. 1 multiplied with 7 is 7. 1 multiplied with 1 is 1. Now you have to add all these numbers so that you will get the product of 178 multiplied with 142. 6, if no number is there, you have to consider it as 0. 6, you're going to write it as it is. 5 plus 2 is 7. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. Take carry to the thousands place value. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. Again take 1 carry to the 10,000 place value. Now add 1 plus 1, so you get 2. Product of 178 multiplied with 142 is 25,276. In the same format, we are going to solve the rest of the problem. 4 multiplied with 3 is 12. Take 1, carry to the tens place value. 4 into 6 are 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. Take carry to the hundreds place value. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now put a multiplication symbol below the ones place value. Start multiplying the tens place value with the multiplicand. 3 3s are 9. 3 6 are 18. Take carry to the hundreds place. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. You're going to multiply the multiplicand with the hundreds place value. You have to put 2 multiplication symbol below the product of 3 multiplied with 163. Then start multiplying the hundreds place value with multiplicand. 1 3s are 3. 1 6 are 6. 1 1s are 1. Now add all these values so that you will get the product of 163 multiplied with 134. Write 2 as it is. 5 plus 9 is 14. Take 1, carry to hundreds place. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. 17 plus 1 is 18. Again take 1, carry to thousands place. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Take carry 1 to 10,000 place. Now add 1 plus 1. You get the value as 2. The product of 163 multiplied by 134 is 21,842. Fourth problem. 183 multiplied with 208. 8 3s are 24. Take 2 carry here. 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 2 is 66. Take carry to the hundreds place value. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. Since there is no other value to be multiplied, write the number as it is. You know that any number which is multiplied with 0, their product is always 0. So 0 into 3s are 0. 0 into 8 are 0. 0 into 1s are 0. Now you are going to multiply the multiplicand with the hundreds place value. 2 3s are 6. 2 8s are 16. Take carry to hundreds place. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 is 3. Now add the values so that you will get the product of 183 multiplied with 208. If no value is here, you have to consider it as 0. So 4 you're going to write as it is. 6 plus 0 is 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. Take the carry to thousands place. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. And write 3 as it is. The product of 183 multiplied with 208 is 38,064. Second main, multiply. So now you're going to multiply the 1 digit value with the 4 digit value. 9 ones are 9. 9 6 are 54. Write 4 here and take the carry to the hundreds place value. Now multiply 9 with 8. 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 5 is 77. Take carry to the thousands place value. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 7 is 25. Write 25 as it is. Now you got the product of 2,861 multiplied with 9 is 25,749. In the same way, we are going to solve the rest of the problems. Second problem, 3,947 multiplied with 7. Now you are going to multiply the 4 digit number with the 1 digit number. 7 7s are 49. Take carry over to the tens place. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 4 is 32. Take 3, carry to the hundreds place. 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 3 is 66. Write 6, carry to the thousands place value. Now multiply 7 into 3. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 6 is 27. The product of 3947 multiplied with 7 is 27,629. Third problem. 7,254 multiplied with 6. You're going to multiply all these number with the one digit value. 6 4s are 24. Take carry to the tens place value. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. Take carry to the hundreds place value. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. Write 5 here and take carry to the thousands place value. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 1 is 43. The product of 7,254 multiplied with 6 is 43,524. In the same way, you are going to solve the rest of the problem, students. Third main, find the product. 9,025 multiplied with 10. If a number is multiplied with 0, their product will be 0. So now let's solve the problem. 0 multiplied with 5 is 0. 0 multiplied with 2 is 0. 0 multiplied with 0 is 0. 0 into 9s are 0. Again, you're going to multiply with 1. 1 5s are 5. 1 2s are 2. 1 multiplied with 0 is 0. 1 9s are 9. Now you're going to add this two values so that you get the product of 9,025 multiplied with 10. Write 0 as it is, and here no numbers are there, only zeros are there. So any number which is added with 0, their values are same. So write 9,025. So the product of 9,025 multiplied with 10 is 90,250. Second problem. 2,549 multiplied with 20. You know that any number which is multiplied with 0, their product will be 0. So you need not multiply with 0. Just write the value 0 here. Then start multiplying with the tens place value. 2 9s are 18. Take carry to the tens place value. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 5s are 10. Write 0 here and take carry to the thousands place value. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So the product of 2,549 multiplied with 20 is 50,980.